Along with our range of storage tanks, Niplast offer a range of installation options for access ladders and handrails to prevent accidents and ensure the tank facility is secured and as safe as possible. Niplast access ladders and handrails are manufactured using galvanized mild steel or GRP reinforced polymer, ensuring the safety structures built are long-lasting. A standard safety option is a 3-rail system consisting of upper, middle and toe rails, with stanchions to hold into position. All safety options from Niplast are custom-built and vary between tanks in size and layout. These can include ladder fittings at the top, roof or on the side of the designated tank. Bespoke support brackets are available to ensure ladders are firmly and securely attached to any sort of tank layout. For more complex projects, where a multiple tank setup is in place, walkway platforms can be fitted, along with access gates to add an extra level of safety and prevent users from slipping or falling in key operating areas. All access ladders and handrails from Niplast are custom built for every tank to ensure that your individual needs are met.